Good day everyone. Today I will teach you on how to use ready-made Swishmax templates. Now let's start. SWI templates are ready-made Swishmax templates that can be used as a starting point for your project. For this tutorial, we will use this template. But first, let's rename this project. Let's rename this to Project 1. In this bar, you will see the file path of your project. Now let's click this one. Upon clicking your prepared template, you will see a wizard panel on the left side of the screen. The wizard panel includes all the parameters that can be altered in this template. As per this template, we can alter its size, the text inside, the URL, the background color, the text color, and even the settings of the note in the right side. Now let's change its text. Let's change it to template made by Swishmax. Now let's click this OK. Next, we will change the text color. Let's change it to color blue. Now let's change the background. Let's change it to dark violet. Now, the note settings includes all the parameters that can be altered in the note. We can change its text color, the background color, and we can also change its position. We can put it on the left side or either on the right side of the template. But as for this template, we will change its position to none. After putting all the alters or changes in this template, let's click this button. This button is named as Allow Manual Editing. Now, to preview our work, we will click this file, the test, then click this. Now, you can see your altered template using Swishmax. Thank you for listening.